Hello guys, welcome back to Homesteading of the Grid. And first and foremost guys, I want to thank each and every one of you who greeted me a happy birthday. And I read all your greetings to me guys from my husband yesterday morning ramble. Thank you so much. You give me a big smile. And by the way guys, I'm just gonna tell you what we did yesterday for my birthday. We went to shopping at what's the name of that shopping store? Yeah, there. We went there, and then after that, we had dinner with my close friends, my favorite friends here in the United States. So we went to Texas Roadhouse. Oh my gosh, that's the first time I ate in that restaurant here. Yeah, that's my first time. Oh, I had a steak. Oh my gosh, it's so delicious. And then Daniel, he loved it to my son. He's so funny because this morning when he woke up, he said, "Mom, I can't still forget the restaurant that we went last night because he had grilled chicken. He loved it." So that's all we did, and then people there, they sing me a happy birthday. It was so nice. I had fun. My family had fun. My friends, they had fun. So I had a best birthday. So by the way, guys, as you can see, this is my husband gift for me. Are you excited? Okay, they said yes. Abracadabra. Try! I have my first ever nice knives. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, this is my husband got me. Look at this. Guys, by the way, I have a lot of knives, but they're not good as this one. When my husband take me to the store where we bought this, I'm like, oh wow, they're so. I'm like, I'm glad that he got this for me because when he asked me pick which one you like, and then I always pick the cheapest one. I always pick those $19, and they said no because it's like kind of same to what I have here in the house. So he picked this for me because I just can't pick the pricey one. I don't know because I grow up poor. So to me, it's like whatever knife you're using, it's kind of the same for me. But he's right. All I have my friend, my friend last night. I told her that Kevin bought this for me, and then she told me the big difference. So I'm kind of excited to use this. So, but before that, I'm gonna I want you to be with me to open my present, and this one too. See this? What you call this? Flip chopboard. Yeah, I have my chopboard already to here in the house, but my husband, he want to save my time, like because after I use my chopboard, let's say I chop vegetables, I always rinse it, and then it's like there's a chopboard that you can flip. Here is for meat, and this one here. Oh no, yeah, here is meat, and this one here is for vegetables. Isn't it nice? Save a lot of time. He's so nice. I'm glad he bought this for me. But this is so easy. Oh, this is so nice. The thing that I like this one too because it's organized. The knives, it's organized. I don't need to. Yeah, but it save a lot of time, and then I like it. And also, guys, it sharpener. If you put it back inside, it's sharp itself. Isn't it so nice? Yeah, so I like this. Look at this. KitchenAid. So let's open it. I never opened this yet. Look at this. Look at that. This is the first time I open it. Oh. Box number 2. Oh, it's too. Wow. Oh, look at this. We need to... And I like the color too. Oops. Oh. Ta-da! Wow. It's kind of heavy. How to... Oh, okay, like this. Well, sharpener, cutlery, go blah blah blah. I cannot read it. Oh yeah, look at this, honey. This is like the sharpening type. Wow, that's so nice. Oops. I'm so excited. Oh wow. It feels, wow. Whoa. Wow. Oh my. Wow, this is so amazing. Oops. And look at this. Wow. Oh, this is a bed knife. Yeah. Oh, a bed knife. It's bread knife. Look at this. Ah, they're so cute. I like them all. And a small bread knife. Oh, look at this. There you go. And wow, this is so pretty. Wow, I like this kind of gift because the things that I always use it every day. Look at this, charan! I have my knives. Wow, it's so beautiful. Wow, I can't wait to use this. Okay guys, after I bake this video, I'm gonna chop meat and vegetables just to try it because I can't wait. So I hope guys you enjoy unboxing gifts with me. Oh, I want to share. Wait. I want to share this. Oh, I can't wait to use this too, guys. As you know, my favorite part in the house is kitchen. Yeah, I cook 3 times a day. So if I have like a nice stuff, oh, I love it. So I hope guys you enjoy unboxing gifts with me, and we'll see you next time. Thank you everyone.